Today, our world faces one of the biggest challenges ever that will affect our health and overall well-being in the future. While food is more abundant and readily available than ever before, we are still not getting the proper nutrition that we need to be healthy and to thrive. Today's obesity epidemic affects more and more people every day. The time for change is now. Zija International is committed to making that change. Zija International is a multi-million-dollar network marketing company with tens of thousands of independent distributors and customers throughout the world. Our unique products and business opportunity are providing improved health and financial opportunities never before seen. Since we began in 2005, Zija has quickly become an industry leader, experiencing remarkable growth, doubling every year. Zija's success story begins with one man discovering a tree grown in faraway lands. This man is Ken Brailsford, a pioneer in the nutritional supplement industry. He's known as the father of herbal encapsulation and now founder of Zija International.
I was happily retired until a friend called me up and wanted to show me a video that he had recorded off of the Discovery Channel. He wanted me to go into business with him. I was just going to watch it and tell him, no thank you, I've done that, I don't need to do it again. But I watched the video on Moringa oleifera, and by the time I finished, I knew I had to be involved with it. It was something that was great and the world needed, and I felt impressed and spiritually prompted that this is something I needed to do. And so I became involved with my friend in a business venture that would change the lives of countless people throughout the world.
Moringa is so much more than Ken even anticipated. It's a nourisher, a healer, a beautician, a humanitarian. Gram for gram, fresh moringa leaves contain 4 times the calcium of milk, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 2 times the protein of yogurt, 3 times the potassium of bananas, and 7 times the vitamin C of oranges.
The health benefits of moringa are truly amazing. It's been shown to deliver anti-inflammatory support, promote healthy digestion, heighten mental clarity, increase energy, provide natural anti-aging benefits, while also nourishing the body's immune system, regulating blood glucose level, promoting healthy circulation, decreasing appetite to promote a healthy weight, and increase memory function. But perhaps the most amazing thing about moringa are the hundreds of research articles that have been published in just the last few years, suggesting that we have just begun to understand the true potential moringa has in delivering a healthy lifestyle.
Ken enlisted the help of Russ Bianchi, world-renowned scientist, food formulator, and president of Adept Solutions, a leading global product development and formulation firm. Russ began creating new ways to maximize moringa's health benefits. The result is Zija's extensive line, including nutritional drink mixes, energy and performance products, a complete weight loss and management system, and an innovative skincare line. Each one of these products provide all of moringa's over 90 verifiable benefits, including cell-ready vitamins, minerals, vital proteins, antioxidants, and omega oils. Zija's moringa trees are grown on proprietary farms in dry, hot climates where they thrive. The trees, organically raised without chemicals, are harvested carefully by hand, then shade-dried, ensuring that essential nutrients remain intact. Unlike other moringa products on the market, Zija uses all of the most nutrient-rich parts of the tree: the leaves, the seeds, and the fruit.
Hi, I'm Jason Jorgensen, Chief Operating Officer at Zija International. Here at Zija, our products are manufactured in Linden, Utah at our pharmaceutical-grade manufacturing facility. We use cutting-edge technology to deliver to you the very best and highest quality product.
In addition to providing nutrient-rich products, Zija provides an amazing business opportunity to anyone searching for a way to achieve financial and time freedom. Joining the Zija family gives you access to all of the tools and benefits you need to succeed. There has never been a more exciting time to be involved in the health and wellness industry. It's the next trillion-dollar economic sector. Participating in this growth will create more millionaires than ever before, many of them Zija independent distributors.
Zija International is truly a global company. Our opportunity is now available on nearly every continent. We're opening new markets every few months, and our independent distributors enjoy the opportunity to share their Moringa message with friends, family, and associates worldwide.
A major driving force behind the success of Zija International is its corporate leadership.
I've handpicked the executive team to make the company strong and to give the distributors and those in the field every bit of information and knowledge that they need and the tools that they need to become successful. This executive team has over 100 years experience in the MLM industry. That's what is needed, and that background understanding is what is needed to be completely successful. Everything is in place for the distributor to make them successful, and the company is there to support the distributors in every way possible.
Our executive team is unrivaled in the industry. I'm proud to work with such a dedicated team of individuals focused on a common goal.
Health through proper nutrition, financial freedom, personal development, and living an active lifestyle. These are the pillars that define Life Unlimited. See, it is our goal to provide a vehicle for you to create your own destiny, to achieve your goals. We believe that proper nutrition and giving your body the proper fuel will allow you to feel your best and go out and seek after those things that you desire. Financial freedom is a reality at Zija International. And personal development can change the way you look at life, can change your perspective on life, and strengthen and support you to navigate the challenges of life. Living an active lifestyle is simply getting out and doing the things that you enjoy doing. Feel your best, look your best, be your best, and have the energy to do the things that you want to do and fulfill and achieve your personal goals. Here's to you, living Life Unlimited.